All right, here we are ready to install the Ubuntu distribution on WSL, or using WSL rather, on Windows 11. We've opened up a PowerShell using administrative purposes, or privileges rather, to be able to do this. So the command is straightforward. It's just WSL --install --distribution, and we're going to pick the Ubuntu distribution. It'll take a little bit to install this piece. Downloading the kernel for this distribution. And now it's installing the kernel. Now it's downloading some additional tools. These are new things that I haven't seen the last time I installed it. So it looks like WSL has really has brought in a bunch of new things here. So I sped that up. And then finally it's downloading the distribution. This will take a while, so I sped that up as well. And now we're all done.